Hi guys, I thought I'd like to share this. This is Mr Carlson Super Probe, and it's a probe built from Paul Carson's Mr Carson's lab video. And what this actually is a very sensitive non-contact probe, and it's used for basically troubleshooting, tracking down low-level signals through a piece of equipment. It has two selections. One's audio frequency, and you flick the switch on the back here, and it does RF for looking for noisy components, etc. I will give a little demonstration of this. I'll just find something out for a low level source and then I'll get back. Right guys, as you can see I've got a little two-way radio here, and it also has a function on it where you can select FM broadcast radio. So we're going to use this as our source of audio. What I'm going to do is I'm going to insert an audio cable into the headphone jack, and then we'll have a very low level signal appearing across this cable. So I'll just do that and I'll be back to you. Right, hi guys, I'm back. What I've done now, as you can see, is I've just inserted the little jack into the side of this, so now we've got a very low signal coming onto this cable. What I'll do now is I'll turn on this probe. I'll pick up the probe and I'll just approach the cable slowly, and you'll be able to see for yourself how sensitive this probe actually is. So I'm still quite a distance from this probe and we're already starting to pick up some audio.
You grew up without a mother.
For me, as a comedian, I started very young.
There you go, the signal appears to be on the green plug, it's where it's loudest.
No Asian American comedians out there. It took a lot of guts, and it took this to rectify that wrong. I am not going to die because I failed as someone else. I'm going to be as myself, and I'm going to stay here and rock the mic until the next Korean American, fag hag, shit starter, girl comic, trash talker comes out and...
So as you can see for yourself, it's very, very sensitive, and it's an excellent piece of equipment. And I advise anyone who's capable of it to build one themselves, because it is quite a piece of gear to have on your bench, and it's really useful. I mean, I've tracked down many a fault with it already. So big shout out to Mr Carlson. And the big difference between this probe and the Mr Carlson version is that this probe is actually built with all technology, whereas Mr Carlson's version is all surface mount. I've actually got two of these. I built one for a friend and then he didn't come back for it. So what I'll do is I'll pop the other one apart because it will be easier, and I'll show you inside of it, guys. Right guys, this is the probe disconnected from the second unit. I'll crack it open and we'll take a look inside. Right guys, I've cracked this probe open now so you can see how it's constructed. It's just a piece of project board, and I'll try and zoom in so you can get a really close look at what I've done. But you just got to keep it tight and you can keep it really compact. I'll just show you. Are you going to focus? Struggling focusing, to be fair. Oh, there you go. There we go. I think that's about as good as we're going to get. But you can see it's all through all, and you just, like I say, just keep your work tight, and you can get it into quite a small probe body. Okay guys, I just thought I'd share that with you, and try and encourage some more of you guys to build things like this, because they are fun. Okay guys, thanks for watching, more to come soon. Thanks.